Hello everyone, my name is Michelle. Welcome to this channel. Today together we will do a nice and relaxing yoga flow to unwind and release stress. So feel free to grab a pillow or a bolster as a prop. I'm using it here to keep it underneath my knees. And we will start in a comfortable sitting position. We can say with leg crossed or as I'm sitting down like right now. And we will start our practice with an So let's bring your hand over your thighs or in prayer pose as you wish. And let's gently close our eyes. Let's start to bring your awareness to your breath. Let's notice the air that with every inhale goes through our nostrils, down our throat, through our lungs, and from our lungs with every exhale, up to our throats and out our nostrils. Let's bring our awareness to our body, and let's feel our body in contact to the ground or to our bolster. Let's notice the length of our spine that keeps us up straight. Let's notice the air against our face and our body. And let's enjoy the present moment. Let's acknowledge the present moment. That is the only moment that we care about right now. And we will open our practice with an big deep breath from our nostrils. Inhale and exhale. Slowly, let's open back our eyes. And from here, we will start with some neck rotations. Inhaling, looking up, and exhaling, looking to the ground. Let's keep our shoulders relaxed. And let's notice the movements of our neck and the little noise that the neck produces. Let's change direction. With the next inhale, let's come back to center. From here, we'll start to inhale, open our chest, arch, relax, look up. And exhale, close your hands together, round your spine. Inhale, open. Exhale, clasp your arms together. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale, open your heart. And exhale, round and stretch. And one more time, inhale. Exhale. And inhale to neutral spine. From this position, let's get rid of our prop. From here, let's keep our knees in the same line with your hips. Let's feel the nice flow, blood flow that goes through our legs. And let's slide our hands forward and let's get into the puppy dog position. Let's open up our upper backs. And with our exhale, let's try to bring your chest an inch closer to the ground. And one more breath. From here, let's open our elbows and slide forward. Let's bring your hands close to your chest. And let's inhale. Cobra or upward facing dog. Let's really open up that back. And then let's exhale. Let's look to your right and back. Inhale to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale down. From this position, let's interlace your fingers. Let's bring your hands or close to your cheeks, palm facing down. And let's bring up one of the legs. Keep it bent. And let's stay here and enjoy the position. And if you feel more flexible today, you can extend our right leg. You can hold our foot. You can grab a big toe or not. However feel more comfortable for you. Let's stay here and relax. Try to bring your hips close to the mat as much as possible. And let's enjoy the stretch. Let's focus on our breath. Let's notice the belly that presses against the mat with every inhale, and the belly that goes back to place with every exhale. Whenever you're ready, let go of your foot. If you're holding on to it, let's bend our right leg again. Let's turn our face to the other side. Bring down the right leg or left, whatever. And let's bring up the other leg. Let's enjoy the gentle position, the soft position for a few moments. And whenever you feel ready, you can extend our left leg. And let's take a few deep breaths in this position. Try to bring our hips closer to the ground. Awareness to the breath. And with the next exhale, let's release. Bring your leg back down in place. Let's roll on our backs. And let's bring both knees to chest. Let's rock gently side to side. Coming back to center, let's grab the inner part of your feet, the arches, or you can grab your big toe. Whatever feels more comfortable. Let's get into happy baby position. Let's rock gently side to side. And if you want to make it a little more advanced, we can stretch out one leg at a time. Or both legs together. Let's continue rocking yourself side to side. Enjoying the stretch in the inner thighs and the massage on our backs. And whenever you're ready, let's bring your knees back to the chest. And let's drop your legs down to the ground into butterfly position. Two options here. We can either keep our hands on our thighs and press them down, or for the more flexible ones, we can grab our ankles from underneath our legs. Keep the backs arched. In both cases, this is the most important, that the slight arch of the back. And we stay here in Baddha Konasana for a few. So let's take a few deep breaths. Baddha Konasana. And let's enjoy the nice stretch in our inner thighs and the opening of the chest. Let's find stillness in our body. Let's enjoy the stillness. With the next breath, let's release the posture. And let's bring your knees back to your chest. Let's hug your knees. Let's rock side to side. And now let's bring our right leg on top of our left. Let's extend our right arm to the right, and let's bring both legs to the left. Gaze to the right. Here it's more important to keep our shoulder on the ground, so the right shoulder on the ground, compared to bring the legs completely down. If you want to feel more comfortable, you can drop your prop right underneath your legs. And look to the right. And let's take 3 deep breaths. With every inhale, we fill our lungs. And with every exhale, let's press our legs towards the ground. 2 more inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So next inhale, let's bring your knees back to chest. Squeeze your legs. And let's bring your left leg over the right. To the side of the prop. Left arm. Let's stretch it out. And let's bring your legs to the right. Look to the left. 3 deep inhale here. And exhales. Inhale. And exhale. Press your legs down. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. And with the next inhale, let's bring your knees back to chest. Let's grab our pillow. Let's drop our legs down. We can keep our knees over the pillow if it feels comfortable to you. Or we can bring the pillow over our belly or underneath your head, wherever you feel comfortable in this moment. Let's bring your arms next to your body with your palms facing upwards. Relax your feet, relax your legs, your arms and hands, shoulders. And gently close your eyes. Let's finish your practice in our final Shavasana. Well, where our body can recharge and recover. And if your mind wanders, you can bring it back to our breath. Namaste.